Story of Friendship, Tajik story, recorded and translated by Shamsulo Mirzoyev. Once upon a time there was a little goat. She was a well-behaved, happy and kind goat. One day she noted that she had a terrible rash. Her skin wrinkled and was very itchy. She impatiently rubbed herself against walls and trees. Because of this, a lot of her hair fell out. Poor goat became very sad and didn't know what to do. Goat's owner was a very nice man. He wanted to help his poor animal. He asked many doctors and veterinarians about the rash. They advised him to take the goat to a field far away from their village where the goat could graze on yellow milkweed for some time. They said that she could become healthy after she grazed on a lot of the milkweed. So her owner took goat and together they went to the field and he set his goat free. After 20 days of grazing on yellow milkweed, the goat found treatment and she grew beautiful new fur. One morning, goat saw a sheep coming towards her. The sheep wanted to eat yellow milkweed too. At first, the goat didn't let the sheep join her and wouldn't let her graze on yellow milkweed. She said, "These fields are mine. You shouldn't graze here. You should go somewhere else." Sheep said, "Don't fight with me. I am sick. The doctor said that I need to eat yellow milkweed to feel better." Goat said, "Oh, I am sorry. If you're sick, eat some of these plants. It worked for me. I am sure you will be cured soon. It will be nice to have your company. I was a little sad here all by myself." So goat and sheep lived in the field together and ate milkweed. One day goat and sheep were talking and they saw a calf coming towards them. "Hello, my friends," the calf said. "It looks like these yellow milkweed are nearly gone. Let me also join you, and when we have eaten them all, I can take you to an orchard where we can eat apple, peach, apricot, and fig leaves. They are all very delicious." Goat and sheep agreed and the calf joined them. As calf predicted, the next day they ate all of the plants in the field, so calf led the way to an orchard. When they were on the road, they saw a wolf hide. Perhaps the wolf died and the skin and the fur was all that was left. Goat said, "We might need this," and she picked it up. "Of course it will be useful," said the sheep. "We can lie down on it and sit on it," said calf. They took the wolf hide and kept going on their way. At the end of the field they saw a small house. There was smoke blowing from its chimney. Goat saw the smoke and said, "I'm very thirsty. Let's go to the house and ask a cup of tea." "You are right," said the calf. "We came a long way. I'm also thirsty and very tired. We need to take some rest." Goat, sheep, and calf put the wolf hide down outside the door, and when they opened the door, they saw 3 wolves. Goat, sheep, and the calf were scared and wanted to run away. The wolves saw them, laughed, and said, "You are welcome, dear guests. Come in, don't worry. We will introduce ourselves to each other. We will drink tea and talk. Life is short. We must spend it being happy," said the big wolf. Goat, sheep, and the calf went in and they sat down on kurbacha. The old wolf said to one of other wolves, "Give me the dutor from the corner. My father was singer and musician. I still remember his songs. I want to sing and entertain our guests." The old wolf took the dutor's trumpet and sang, The goat with its horns is mine." The other wolf said, "Bravo, my friends. Enjoy and be happy." The next wolf took the dutor's trumpet and sang, The beautiful sheep with big fluffy tail is mine." The other wolf said, "Bravo, good luck to you, my friend." The third wolf said, "Give me the dutor, I will also sing." Everybody listened as he sang. "The calf with the big black eyes is mine." The wolves applauded. Then Goat, who looked a little worried, said, "It's our turn to sing." She took the dutor, strummed a note, and started singing. "One day we saw a wolf. We weren't afraid of him. We caught him and took his hide with us. It's lying just outside the door." Old Wolf heard the song and looked a little doubtful. He said to one of other friends, "Go and see what's lying outside the door." When the young wolf saw the hide of the wolf outside, he became scared and ran away to the forest. He didn't come back again. Inside the house, Sheep took the dutor, strummed it, and started singing. Three friends killed the wolf and removed its hide. Old Wolf heard Sheep's song. He started to get worried and said to the other wolf, "Our friend left a few minutes ago and he didn't come back again. Go outside, see what's happening." The second wolf saw the skin and the fur outside, and he ran away to the forest. He didn't come back again. And lastly, it was Calf's turn. He took the dutor and didn't sing, but he played very fast and very loudly. Old Wolf got dizzy. He went outside and saw the wolf hide. He was very frightened. He ran away to the forest. None of the wolves came back again. So Goat, Sheep, and a calf lived together. They talked about their friendship and agreed that sickness made them friends and meeting the wolves made them best friends forever. BFF. Thank you.